MIS reports are critical for decision making, but let's be honest, they take a lot of time and coordination. Imagine if you could generate the first draft of an MIS in seconds? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use ChatGPT to automate and enhance your MIS reporting process. What is an MIS report? MIS stands for Management Information System. These reports help decision makers in your organization stay on top of key metrics, sales, production, expenses, variances, and more. As cost accountants, we spend a lot of time compiling, formatting, and validating these reports. What if AI could do the bulk of that work? How ChatGPT helps with MIS? Let's break down how ChatGPT helps. You feed it summarized raw data or KPIs. It generates readable summaries, bullet points, and insights. It can prepare commentary on trends, variances, and key metrics. It can even suggest visualizations. Here's an example. Prompt: summarize the monthly sales data into 5 key business insights. Response: sales increased 12% month over month, driven by product X. Region Y underperformed due to seasonal dip. Customer retention rate improved by 4%, and so on. Now you have executive level commentary ready, with no manual drafting. Types of MIS ChatGPT can help with. ChatGPT can help with Sales MIS, Key Customer and Region Performance. Expense MIS, Variance vs Budget. Production MIS, Output, Downtime, Wastage. Departmental MIS, KPIs for each function. You just need to feed it numbers or summaries. It does the narrative part. Time-saving tips. Use templates and reuse prompts. For example, write a cost variance commentary using the following inputs: data, or convert this table into a professional summary. Important reminder: always cross-check ChatGPT outputs. It doesn't read Excel sheets or access databases directly unless integrated via third-party tools. You are still in control, it's just your assistant for speed and polish. In the next module, I'll show you how to create SOPs and internal policies using ChatGPT from scratch in your own format. For now, try using prompts like: draft a sales MIS commentary using this summary, or prepare highlights for a monthly operations review. Practice makes it easier. This is how modern cost accountants work smarter. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.